as such in the professional thing. You should never be carried away by the chart on the window dressing which may be presented to us in the vigilant forever. And he is a director, it is biodata, real biodata, it doesn't reveal much. Yeah, like this, because of this they have done all these things.
SK, you want to be the chief guest? I said, okay. Then you come back and tell me that you want to do this and say yes. But it's always very, very nice to be with Murli and it's something great. I'm not sure whether Arul and Victor Dinesh have got common names. Whether it is Arul of this man and Doli of that man, or Arul of him and Doli of that. But they work so closely and so nicely.
Where you can contribute, and it's an e-newsletter where you can contribute your ideas, proactive ideas, positive ideas, you can do it. If the CP and all something is normal, don't bother much about it. Incidentally, you will be getting it. We are also part of it. What is more important is that your contribution actually for the fraternity as such. We treat you as a a role model you should become. And then this type of women directorship is there. All the institute also they are asking for it, and other institutions also. But we feel that we can fill the void.